we go to the K. With the G, we were engaging the forces of the lower system a lot. And the K, the heart sound, belonging to the upper system, loves playing with the lower system. So first of all, to prepare ourselves for the K, to become a good sparring partner, or we just do a little bit of training, we enjoy being down there, and we have our hands in front, and then we just practice to expand our energy system just by using the muscles of our body, belly system, hip system, a little bit, becoming thick and round, as we would not like to become in real life, but we are playing with these energies. We have not only them. So again, this expansion. And to begin with, you can use your muscles, and afterwards you just feel it. And the last step is you only think it, and it happens in the body. Because you think it in the body. Okay, we have prepared it, just test. Use your hands. Is it elastic? Do I have to stop my hands, or are they brought back? No, really. Yes, it's working well. It's nice to push into it and feel the response. And then the car is now, the world of the stars, the upper system, where we come from, our world of ideas and we work. And then, but we also use the upper arms, and now we start pulling a little bit, and we pull these stars a little bit down, and we really press them into our elastic system, and this system, sends them back, or anywhere, not back, anywhere. There's no morality in the lower system, just anywhere. You will see yourself where you land. Just this slow motion way of doing it. You just use the upper arms to bring it down. The lower system enjoys being pressed, but it enjoys more sending it away. And when you do this, sending it away, do you notice that this wakens up the hands? And when this happens, that's the aim. This should happen, that the hands suddenly get this energy. Then you can even imagine rays of light passing by, and the fingers are just picking it up, and maybe even making it bright or strong or more brilliant. And now we do not pull so much anymore, because the upper system doesn't like to work. The lower system is our bully, but the upper system, we let it fall. So have the arms up here, down there it's elastic, and then I let it fall slow motion to begin with. I let it fall, and whoop, the lower system sends it away. And now you can just practice that I can really let it fall. And is it the last 2 times I was cheating? Because now I want to show it, but the first 2 times it was fine. That I do not, what I did now, I was just going down, and then I used the muscles here to send them back. That you might believe I used my lower system, but I felt it. I used this muscle. But if really my lower system works, I do not feel my muscles, I feel there is something which takes my arm along, and I just let go. And this car, that needs practicing. So just dang, dang. Yes, now it's working better. And then the tension of my muscles is here. When it works, then I suddenly notice, I feel this muscle working, or this is doing that, but I'm not doing it, I'm only noticing it. These muscles are now working and playing, and like if you have table tennis or something like that, you enjoy this. 2, 3 more times trying. Ka, ka, ka. Okay? And now let's try that we really pick it up with the fingers. And also the finger should try not to catch it and do it themselves, because then you capture the light again, but they just feel it and go with it. And now just forget a little bit out. This system, just they will do it now. It will do it now for us. And just concentrate a little bit of picking up this light, passing your hands and fingers. Zack. And again. And start playing with, you have two table tennis players, yeah? Around the arms can go at different times, yeah? And then bring it in the hands and become expressive in your fingers, because that's again Jupiter. What is power should be refined into light, should be given, should become something which can be led. And now is the difference between the K and the G is that the G is creating space by pushing something a little bit further out. It's a question of force. We do the horizontal G once again. You just let go, and then yes, and just feel the energy of the upper arms, of the thighs, lifts also in the hand, and you keep something on distance. And if you would let go, it would come back. So you have to keep this energy that the space stays existing. Otherwise, if you would let go, it would come in. So if you have a problem, you keep it away from yourself. And with the car, you solve the problem in a different way, just by dissolving it. Problem? Was there one? Yeah, so there is a problem. Just imagine. And then just let go. Ka. Ha. And there you see already how the ha comes in. Was there a problem? Ka ha. The heart, just a space of pure listening comes about. Let's try to do this ka-ha experience once again. Ka-ha. Ka. Breathe, let go. How does it feel like to stand like this now? And then slowly sit down and listen to the resonance. What parts of your body come into your perception now? Which start saying, hello, here I am. And maybe it's a sequence. What's the general feeling J and K produce in your body? Now, at this moment. What's the grade of contentness you meet in yourself? And when you say water, warmth, air, earth, what is predominant where? Or what is there the least? And if water and maybe even earth, but water probably with most of us is hidden a little bit, where does it hide? In which holes does the water element hide? And why? I don't mean the sweat now. I just mean, yeah, what could be called water element in your sensations, inner sensations. And how do fire and air feel now?